Uncover the potential of request for quotes, RFQ, in the futures trading market through CME Group. An RFQ is an anonymous electronic message sent in real time to all CME Globex participants, soliciting quotes for specific instruments or strategies. This tool, originating from the trading floor, offers a streamlined process that is instant, anonymous, and broadcasts to all Globex participants at once. Upon receiving an RFQ, interested parties can submit bids or offers on screen in response. The sender is not obligated to execute at a chosen price or disclose if they are a buyer or seller. RFQs are especially useful in markets with many different instruments, where order books for each instrument may not be populated at all times. They're also helpful in new markets where liquidity is still developing. RFQs can obtain pricing information for instruments that aren't typically traded, promoting price discovery and helping lead to more efficient and fair markets. They can also help make existing liquidity better and facilitate Globex execution for larger trades. In future markets, RFQs enable on-demand liquidity for outright futures or spreads when no active orders exist or when market depth is insufficient. While market makers may not always be able to populate all order books for a given product line at all times, they may be willing to provide quotes for certain instruments for which a client has indicated interest via RFQ. They draw attention from multiple liquidity providers, allowing participants to receive quotes from multiple sources and execute at a single best price. RFQs can be used to solicit liquidity on central limit order books without the constraint of maximum order sizes and without the obligation to trade while maintaining anonymity. To submit an RFQ on CME Direct, ensure your view includes the RFQ field and click the Send RFQ button. This action expresses your interest in exploring prices in one or more specific markets. RFQs on CME Direct offer a powerful tool for competitive price discovery and improved market efficiency. For more information and to start using RFQs, visit cmegroup.com/RFQ.